Dare. To be brave enough to do something scary or difficult. A little girl dares to touch a big spider. Deck. A flat outdoor floor made of wood behind a house or on a ship. Passengers are standing on the deck of a large ship. Deserve. To earn something because of your actions or qualities. She studied hard and deserved the prize. Disabled. Having a condition that makes some activities difficult. A disabled man uses a wheelchair to enter a library. Distinct. Easy to recognize because it is clearly different. 3 butterflies have distinct colors: red, blue, and yellow. Distinguish. To see or know the difference between things. A teacher distinguishes 2 twins by their hats. Downtown. The busy center of a city. Many people are walking downtown at night. Dozen. A group of 12. A woman is carrying a dozen red roses. Duke. A man with a very high noble rank. The Duke rides a white horse outside his castle. Dull. Not interesting or exciting. Several students fall asleep during a dull class. Dust. Tiny, dry particles that collect on surfaces. Thick dust covers an old wooden table. Elder. Older than another person in a family or group. A dull brother carries his little sister. Electronic. Using electricity and technology to work. A boy is fixing an electronic robot. Embarrass. To make someone feel shy or uncomfortable. Dropping a birthday cake embarrasses a young waiter. Engage. To join in or take part in something. Children engage in a group painting activity. Excitement. A strong feeling of happiness and eagerness. A young woman smiles with excitement as she opens a gift box. Expose. To show something that was hidden. A journalist exposes a hidden room behind a wall. Facial. Related to the face. A police artist draws a man's facial features. Fantastic. Extremely good or wonderful. Friends watch a fantastic sunset on the beach. Fare. The money you pay for a bus, train, or taxi ride. A passenger pays the bus fare to the driver. Feather. One of the soft parts covering a bird. A white feather slowly falls through the air. Fence. A barrier around a place. A wooden fence surrounds a beautiful garden. Fertile. Good for growing plants. A fertile field is full of healthy corn. Fiction. Stories that are imagined, not real. A girl reads a fiction book about dragons. Firm. Strong and not too soft. The avocado is still firm. Flag. A piece of cloth that represents a country or group. A large flag waves in front of a school. Float. To stay on top of water without sinking. A yellow rubber duck floats on the water. Flood. A large amount of water covering land. Flood water covers the streets of a village. Former. Belonging to an earlier time, not now. A man visits his former school. Formula. A rule or math expression used to solve a problem. A student writes a math formula on the whiteboard. Found. To start a company, school, or organization. Two friends found a small coffee company. Fuel. Something that provides energy. A man pours fuel into a gas can. Furniture. Things like chairs, tables, and beds in a home. A truck is full of new furniture. Garage. A place where people keep a car. A red car is parked inside a garage. Grand. Very large and impressive. A grand palace stands on top of a hill. Grant. To officially give or allow something. The mayor grants permission for the new bridge. Grave. A place where a dead person is buried. A black cat sits on an old grave. Gravity. The force that pulls things toward the earth. An apple falls from a tree because of gravity. Guilty. Feeling bad because you did something wrong. A boy looks guilty after breaking a window. Heal. To become healthy again after an injury. A small cut on a child's hand heals slowly. Hire. To give someone a job. A restaurant hires a new chef. Hurricane. A very powerful storm with strong winds. A hurricane blows the roof off a small house. Ideal. Perfect or the best for a situation. Sunny weather is ideal for a family picnic. Inherit. To receive money or property from someone who has died. A young woman inherits her grandmother's old house. Inn. A small hotel where travelers can stay. Travelers rest at a cozy country inn. Innocent. Not guilty of doing something wrong. An innocent woman smiles as she leaves the courthouse. Inspect. To look at something carefully. A police officer inspects a black suitcase. Inspire. To make someone want to do something good. Her beautiful painting inspires a young artist. Intelligence. The ability to think, learn, and solve problems well. The monkey's intelligence helps it open a locked box. Invest. To put money into something to earn more money later. A businessman invests money in a small bakery.